talk about vitamin C today. It's one of the most searched ingredients in skincare, and for good reason. We know from marketing and from the media that vitamin C is an antioxidant. We know that it brightens the skin. We know that it has benefits. But are all vitamin C's the same? The answer is no, absolutely not. Your skin can only use vitamin C in one form. That form is L-Ascorbic acid. Now, there are a number of different vitamin C forms in the market. There's magnesium ascorbyl phosphate, there's sodium ascorbyl phosphate, citric acid. There are all kinds of vitamin C's. But your skin can only use a bioavailable form. So what happens is if you use a product with a different form of vitamin C, your skin has to metabolize it into L-ascorbic acid. And depending on the structure of the vitamin C in your product, this may take several metabolic steps. And what you have to understand is that with each metabolic step, there's a geometric loss in potency of the vitamin C. So L-ascorbic acid is the undisputed king of vitamin C when it comes to skincare. But why is it so difficult to find? Well, L-ascorbic acid is quite a difficult product to formulate with because it's water soluble, but once it's dissolved in water, it rapidly oxidizes and it loses its potency. So if you purchase a serum, an L-ascorbic acid serum, you will notice that over time it will start to turn brown. And this is the L-ascorbic acid oxidizing over time. It also develops a characteristic smell as it oxidizes. And once you're familiar with this, you will know that your product is oxidizing and is losing its potency. So it's not to say that all these formulations shouldn't be purchased, not at all. An aqueous vitamin C product can be an excellent option, but it must be used close to the manufacture date. Ideally, immediately after it's manufactured, and to be used completely within 3 months, if not sooner. And if it's not preserved in an airless packaging, it will oxidize more rapidly. So we're going to talk today about our IntenCE Antioxidant Plasma. Our antioxidant product is formulated in an elastomer suspension that guards against oxidation. So it has a longer shelf life and maintains the full bioavailability of the L-ascorbic acid. So you don't have to rush to use it, fearing that it will oxidize soon. So what are the benefits of this product with L-ascorbic acid? The first benefit is that it is a very powerful antioxidant. And as we know, oxidative stress is one of the leading causes of aging. So by having L-ascorbic acid in your skincare routine, you protect against this freed radical damage. In fact, studies have shown that when you incorporate L-ascorbic acid with your sun protection cream, it is able to guard against free radicals caused by UV damage that would not otherwise be managed by sun protection cream alone. Studies have also shown that after UV overexposure, when you experience erythema, this redness of your skin, it returns to normal. It heals faster when you are using L-ascorbic acid in conjunction with your sunscreen. On the same note, L-ascorbic acid improves the wound healing ability of your skin. The efficiency of your skin to metabolize and to function is enhanced with L-ascorbic acid. There are also many studies that show that the incorporation of an L-ascorbic acid product in your skincare has protective benefits against skin cancer. And this is something fairly important to consider, particularly in high-risk populations and in high-risk areas such as South Africa and Australia that experience very high incidences of skin cancer. We also know that L-ascorbic acid is a very potent skin brightener and depigmenting compound. And why is this and how does this work? Well, most skin brighteners are tyrosinase inhibitors. And tyrosinase is an enzyme that is a precursor to melanin synthesis. So when you inhibit tyrosinase, you essentially block the process of producing pigment. Now, L-ascorbic acid is a very well-established tyrosinase inhibitor. So it brightens the skin by reducing melanin deposition, and it is also able to break up existing pigment in the skin. This makes L-ascorbic acid an excellent choice for those with melasma, uneven skin tone, sunspots, or any other pigmentation disorder in the skin. We also know that the decline in our collagen is one of the leading causes of aging. And with L-ascorbic acid being essential for the production of collagen, this is an important component to include for anti-aging benefits. Now, your skin is able to maintain a persistent reservoir of L-ascorbic acid with 8-hourly applications. So if you frequently apply L-ascorbic acid, your skin will hold it in supply for its metabolic needs. And this becomes quite important when you consider all the various functions of L-ascorbic acid within the skin. So this is an essential product. So we hope that this has been informative and interesting. If it has, please let us know in the comments. If you are interested in purchasing a product, the links are in the video description. You're able to purchase on our website, on Takealot.com, and on Amazon.com. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys soon.